from 8 p.m. to 7 p.m. starting today at midnight for the next 30 days. That all bars shall remain closed until further notice. That the Inspector General of the National Police Service shall cause withdrawal of all licenses for bars operating in breach of this directive, and those withdrawals shall be permanent. That the Inspector General shall file a weekly return of all bars whose licenses have been withdrawn to the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and Coordination of National Government. That forthwith the Inspector General of Police shall ensure that his officers spare no muheshimiwa, no individual, irregardless of social status or rank, who is either out after curfew without being an essential worker, or who flaunts the health protocols that have been set out. The rules are for all of us, and rank or status does not exempt anyone from them. That the National Government Administration officers and the National Police Service will strictly enforce Ministry of Health protocols on public gatherings and particularly funerals. That strict personal sanction will ensue to all police and national administration officers in whose areas of jurisdiction there is a breach of the said guidelines. That the Ministry of Health will develop a protocol to temporarily retain retired ICU staff and anesthesiasts to support the medical staff assigned to dealing with serious COVID-19 cases in the counties. That any government institution, including all sporting facilities, stadia, educational institutions, and other government facilities, upon designation by the Cabinet Secretary for Health as a public health facility, shall be availed to the Ministry of Health for isolation and quarantine purposes. If and when necessary, these measures will be made even more stringent. We will do this without hesitation, because we hold precious the life of every Kenyan.